In this video, we give you tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your RV's dinette. RV dinettes. It doesn't matter if it's a motorhome or travel trailer. People either love them or hate them. Over the years, the RV industry has come up with, let's just say, unique ideas that replace the standard dinette with awkward, unlevel seating options, tables that wobble, and alternative sleeping systems that are overly complicated or uncomfortable. So rather than going that route, why not just improve the basic dinette system that we already have? Let's make it easier to use. Create a table that does not wobble, improve seats that are more comfortable, give it the ability to adapt for other uses, and finally create privacy for sleeping. Right off the bat, there are two things that we love about our older dinette. First, there is great storage underneath. The large area and easy access gives us the ability to customize it as our needs change. Second is the basic booth design. At 74 inches long and 40 inches wide, we are getting a lot of living area for eating, playing games, and sleeping without any wasted space. But as much as we like it, there were problems with this dinette that we had to address. So here were the problems and the fixes. First, the seats were getting uncomfortable because of the worn-out cushion foam. So to fix this, we replaced the seating foam with a higher quality product. This was very easy to do as our dinette seats have a built-in zipper into the fabric. So now we can sit for hours in comfort because of the improved seats. Second was the problem of our folding table leg. Since it wasn't secured to the floor, it would shift right or left, especially while driving, causing the table to be unstable. We considered other table legs, but the solution was too easy and right in front of us. We simply found that removing the cap at the bottom of the leg and screwing it into the floor created the leg to be very stable. The table leg can now be removed anytime, but will not move when placed back into the secured cap. A very simple solution. Next was the table wobble. Believe it or not, for years we actually used hand towels jammed into our old table bracket to try and stop the wobbling. This was because the old bracket had a hinge to swing the table into the sleeping position that was not adjustable. On top of this, we could not remove the table for cleaning as the older bracket did not allow the table to be removed. Our solution? Replace the old bracket with AP Products Table Mount Support Bracket. You attached one aluminum bracket to the table and the other to the wall. Then you connect the pieces together by putting the top edge of the table bracket under the wall bracket and lowering the end of the table so that the folding table leg touches the floor. This locks the table in. It is very sturdy. And best of all, it does not use a hinge system, so it can easily be removed for cleaning or other uses. Give it the ability to adapt for other uses. Example number 1. Our friends were having a wedding but had a problem for the bride and the bridesmaids. So at the last minute, they asked if I could bring them in the motorhome. The first thing I did was to quickly remove the dinette table, creating a lounge space. And I was actually amazed on how well this worked. Now the bride and bridesmaids had plenty of room for their dresses and to put on any last-minute makeup. They were very happy and comfortable for an easy drive to the wedding venue. I was so glad that the dinette had this quick option. Example number 2. Unlike the other brackets, you have the ability to create larger or smaller seating sections. Example number 3. The table can be used outdoors by purchasing and mounting an additional wall bracket outside. Example number 4. Faster conversions from dinette to bed. And our final example, number 5, faster conversions from bed to dinette. Just a footnote, as this gentleman is still building his bed. Our bed setup is now a lot more comfortable with the upgraded cushions, so I can't express this tip enough. Okay, we can't wait any longer, so moving on to privacy for sleeping. So now comes the dinette. What do you do for the dinette? Well, the one thing you can do is you can build a special curtain. Using curtain rod holders actually have been placed up here, and what we do is we end up putting a curtain that's going to come across from here over to here. So our curtain rod is actually stored here in this cabinet. We usually store it behind the food, pull it out, and this is the actual curtain rod. We actually have a couple of clips. And so now what we do is we simply go, we install the first one here, put the clip in, slide this, attach the curtain, put the pin in, come back here, do this in the back, put the clip in, close off the back side, put the clip in to close off the front. And now I have created a private area for the dinette area for sleeping. We didn't sew or do anything. This is just the length of the material. And rather than just sewing on attached hangers, all we do is we have these clip hangers that are available. You can buy them at Walmart. And there you have it. Privacy for up to 2 people. We hope that these dinette ideas have been helpful. Until next time, Cindy and I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for spending some time with us today. If you get a chance, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.